how to remove the background in Photopea. So the first we need to go and open our browser here. Now let's go to the search navigation Google. Now search for Photopea here and open this website, which is online photo editor. There's no need to download an app, it's only this one. So here you can drag the picture or even you can upload it from your computer. So I'm gonna drop this picture here and click on this option. And as you can see, I got the picture here. And so here we're gonna click on this one, this option, which is the magic wand or shortcut SW. And then choose right click and click on object selection. And here we need to choose the object itself. And automatically Photopea got this talk about the object. And once we do so, up here we're gonna click on select object, just loading a few seconds until it's processing the picture itself. So the object being selected. Now click on refine edge. As you can see here, we got the picture before and after. And here, once it's done, just go and click on OK. And that's how the picture being cleared or the background was moved on Photopea. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.